Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change from freelancer to client in Upwork. This is particularly useful if you've been working as a freelancer but now need to hire talent for your own projects or business. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your Upwork dashboard where you can access all your account features. Now look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Upwork profile and preferences. Once you're in the account settings area, you'll need to scroll down through the different options available. Keep scrolling until you find the option labeled New Client Account. This is the feature that allows you to add a client profile to your existing freelancer account, enabling you to switch between both roles seamlessly. Click on New Client Account, and a new window or section will appear, prompting you for some basic information. Here you'll need to enter your company name. This is the name that will be associated with your client profile, so make sure it reflects your business or the entity you'll be hiring for. Take a moment to ensure the spelling is correct and the name is exactly how you want it to appear. After entering your company name, click Create Client Account. Upwork will process this request and set up your new client profile. This might take just a moment, so be patient while the system creates your account. Once it's complete, you'll have access to both your freelancer and client accounts, and you can switch between them as needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a client account to your Upwork profile, giving you the flexibility to hire freelancers while maintaining your freelancer profile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.